Hello, welcome back to my channel. This is a little booklet I made for the Twice as Nice contest for this week. The items we were allowed to use were patterned scrapbook paper, vellum, postage stamps, paperclip and stamping. This is a Turkish map fold booklet. I was inspired by Treasure Book. She shows a very nice tutorial. She didn't show how to decorate it. So what happens is that's how it ends up. So this is four folds, is it? 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I've just backed them with little covers. It's quite tricky to get the hang of what to do because none of the sides are very big, and then I also didn't know whether to distress the folds, show them or not, and then also I used single-sided paper. In the grand scheme of things, I mean, it's not so noticeable, but perhaps, although it may have been very busy if you had different, it doesn't matter, it's personal preference. And then it's just a little beauty booklet, I guess. There's not much else to do with it. Obviously, with the limited amount of things in the contest, it would have been nice to have enamel dots or lace or things, but that wasn't on the list for today. Some of the pictures are split, which actually worked out quite well for decoration, and also some things that hang out. And then this is all of this is from scrapbook paper, and then there's stamping, and then lots of vellum, and then I did cheat a bit. I added some sequins that's supposed to shake. It shakes okay. And then that's it. The whole thing is, I used 15 by 15 paper. You can use any square paper, so it ends up at 8, 7.5 type thing, 8 by 8, and then it closes with the little vellum wrap again. This is meant to fit into a journal, but I've maybe made it a bit chunky. Sorry, sunshine. So maybe more of a dangle or whatever, but it's actually quite a nice, yeah, it's about a centimetre, just over a centimetre thick in the front parts. But definitely just a cute, there the sun's catching it so you can see, a cute novelty item. So have a look at Treasure Books' video. She gives a very nice tutorial. I got it right first time I tried it. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.